Mr. Don Heirman, President, Don Heirman Consultants, Training, Standards, and Educational Electromagnetic Compatibility Consultation Corporation.
Oh, he's going to talk about it.
Don Heirman received his BSW and MSW degrees in electrical engineering from Purdue University in 1962 and 63, respectively. Previously, he was with Bell Labs for over 30 years in many EMC roles, including founder and manager of Lucent Technologies' Bell Labs Global Product Compliance Lab. There, he led the corporation's major EMC and regulatory test facility and its participation in ANSI-accredited standards and international EMC standardization committees. He is a principal contributor to U.S. and international EMC standards organizations, including ANSI ASC C63, where he also serves as chairman, the IEEE, and the International Electrotechnical Commission's International Special Committee on Radio Interference, or CISPR. In October of 2007, he was named the chair of CISPR, moving from his previous role as its Subcommittee A chairman responsible for CISPR Publication 16. He's a member of IEC's Advisory Committee on EMC and the Technical Management Committee of the U.S. National Committee of the IEC. In November 2008, he was presented with the prestigious IEC Lord Kelvin Award at the IEC General Meeting in Sao Paulo, Brazil. This is the highest award in the IEC and recognizes Don's many contributions to global electrotechnical standardization in the field of EMC. He's a life fellow of IEEE and a life member of the IEEE EMC Society and a member of its board of directors, chair of its technical committee on EMC measurements, past EMCS president, newly elected vice president for standards, and past chair of its standards development committees. He's also past president of the National Cooperation for Laboratory Accreditation. He's also past president of the IEEE Standards Association, past member of the SA Board of Governors, and past member of IEEE's Board of Directors and Executive Committee. He's also the Associate Director for Wireless EMC at the University of Oklahoma Center for the Study of Wireless EMC. He has presented numerous workshops, tutorials, and technical papers internationally, and is listed in several Who's Who publications. He's a retired commander of the U.S. Navy. Mr. Heirman, on behalf of the faculty, I'm pleased to present you with the Outstanding Electrical and Computer Engineer Award. Congratulations. I now invite him to say a few words.
I'm unaccustomed to public speaking. First of all, this is a great honor. Purdue meant a lot to me. We started many, many years ago. My wife, we got married on campus. We ended up serving 45 years of marriage until my wife passed away a couple years ago. Purdue launched not only my ROTC career, which ended up being a commission in the Navy, but it also launched my professional career. And just to give you a little sense, when I was commissioned, I was supposed to be on a destroyer. You know, that's something that floats in the sea, I guess. And I was headed that way, and I also got a mail from the Bureau of Personnel saying, you know, you're going to the Pentagon. It's just, you know, the Puzzle Palace. So I went to the Pentagon, and guess why? Because they looked at my Purdue record of being in Fields and Waves and said, we want you to do radio propagation study at age 21. So I actually had an opportunity to predict each day the frequencies that could be used ship to ship, submarine to ship, and ship to shore. Fantastic experience that has not stopped. One thing I'd like to say is that Barrett Robinson and I are classmates. We both were in a special design course. We didn't have to take all the labs. We actually did more technical work. And guess who is our major professor? Professor Lindenlaub. I haven't seen him in 50 years. And I told him that I'm going to keep the hair the same way it was 50 years ago. So I've spoken enough, but again, I want to thank my fellow awardees. I want to thank the School of ECE, and I think you all should be very proud of our Purdue and what that does for students. Thank you very much.